Okay, Kim, sorry, Kim, ha. The internet is loading. Okay, I will share to you now the second sets. We have about party. Okay, do you like party, Kim, Kim?
Yes.
It's your last birthday party. 10 minutos na laman ni Day. Okay, when was your last party? Kim, Kim. Oh, where are you, Kim? Okay, look at this.
Oh,
Okay. Now, Kim Kim, you listen about this. This is about party. You listen and answer. Answer the questions, okay? Please listen and answer the question.
12B.
Listen.
Party things. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Would you like to colour this picture of a supermarket?
Yes. Can I colour the woman's roller skates?
OK. What colour?
I'd like to colour them pink, please.
OK. That's fine.
Can you see the woman's pink roller skates? This is an example. Now you listen and colour and write. 1.
Can you see the bottles on the table?
There are 2 bottles. Which one shall I colour?
The round one. Make it green.
All right. I can do that now.
yeah. Teacher,
2.
Okay, why?
The boy's
I think
drinking
it's
something.
from
I
Iraq.
think.
Yes.
Wait.
It's
Wait,
fruit
ah.
juice.
Kim Kim.
Yeah, teacher, I think this pom has from Iraq.
There's a color. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, teacher, I think this
I think-
yellow pom has from Iraq.
Or can you please write, Kim? Teacher cannot understand. Maybe because of the internet. Please write. Okay. Please. Sorry. The internet is loading, Kim Kim. Di, tama na. Karon, mga dao-dao sa lang ka. I think your power has some error. Oh, yeah. There is some error. Okay. So, this one. Okay, let us skip. Okay, this one. Now, can you see this? Can you see?
Yes.
Okay.
I only say from over.
Okay. Wait me. You can see on the first. Okay, I will wait. Okay. You tell
Yes.
me if you can see this later. Okay. Now, can you see it now?
Yes, I can say it now.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Kim Kim. Okay. Now, Kim Kim, please try to answer. You write your answer in the chat box. Choose answer from here. Okay. Kim Kim?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Kim.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, number one. Number one is okay,
Table.
two. Two. Read number two. Read number two.
Yes, teacher. Number 2, a boss.
Okay, you read. You read the sentence. Read. Most. Kim, you read Kim, read.
Yes.
Most of the bottles.
Most of the bottle and boss are on the shelf.
Okay, very good. Boxes. It's boxes. Okay, three.
The biggest box is under the floor when it is closed.
Okay, four.
Yes,
Four.
the the square bottle is next to the bigger bowl.
Okay, bigger ball. It's not bowl, it's ball.
Ball.
Okay, five.
4 glass between the round bottle and the smaller bowl.
Very good. Yay, Kim, great job. Okay, next one, Kim. Okay, we have here.
Yes.
Okay, Dad's birthday party. Look at the birthday party of Dad. Okay, now what does Sam have to do? Lesson and look at this one. Okay, so look at Sam here. Okay, look at the pictures, Kim, and please tell teacher what happened. Number one, number two, number three, and number four. Okay, you study, huh? Look at the picture. Okay, after you study, you tell teacher, you describe to me what happened in number two. Okay? You tell me if you're finished looking at the picture.
Yes. Um. Look at the first picture.
Na yung kasi nga na rong sa adlaw kasi sa Sabado na siguro nalulog sa Sabado kaya Domingo wala na bangko.
Nabali Sabado. Lunes. Lunes na. Lunes pa man pwede, tama-tama, ini kabut na Cebu.
Teacher,
Pwede na sila mulog na siguro na siya garnish ni 14.
can you tell me how to do it?
Okay. You describe, you tell me what happened number two. Look at number two. Number one, look at the first picture, this first picture. This is Sam. Oh, this one Sam. The man in the, wait me, the man in the armchair is Sam's father. This is Sam's father. Okay. This picture show a story called Tom Loved His Birthday Present. Okay. Sorry. Okay, this is Tom. The name of Sam's father is Tom. Okay, now look at number two. What did Tom do? Look at number two, huh? Look at number two. You describe to me. You tell me
Yes.
what happened. Mhm.
I think.
Okay, go continue. I am listening. Okay, go. You look at. I am listening.
Day.
Vibrator ako 2,000. Lang na ikog camera di gud ma. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, number 2. Tell me number 2. Sam is where? Where is Sam? Sorry, Tom. Where is Tom? Tom, this is Tom, ha? The one
Yes,
wearing green.
Yes, Tom is the man with green t-shirt.
Okay, the one with the green t-shirt. Yes. Lang pagkadyo agman, men. Okay? No. And he welcomes the visitor. These are the visitor, Tom. Okay, these are the visitor. Okay, wait me, Tom, ha? Para po dito. Okay, okay. These are the visitor. Okay. Next one, we have number 3. We have, look at number 3. There is happy birthday. What Tom is doing? Look at Tom. Tom is the one wearing green, huh? What Tom is doing? Number 3.
Tom is teacher, I don't know who is born.
Okay. Tom is having the birthday. Okay. What do you think is the present of Tom? What is this?
Yes.
Okay. What do you think Tom's present? What is this?
Are you care picture for?
Okay, it's a ball. Okay. He received a ball. Okay. Do you think Tom is happy?
Yes. Yes, I can say Tom is very happy
Why do you think Tom is very happy?
because he is happy.
Yes. Why?
Because this is his birthday.
Okay, because okay, why? Because he got a present. It's a ball. Okay, it's a ball. Number 4. What did Tom and Sam doing? Look at number 4. What did Tom and Sam doing?
Yes, teacher, Pong and Sam are playing.
Okay, they are playing.
Are playing.
Okay, they are playing a baseball. Okay, this baseball, right? They're playing a baseball. Okay. So do you think now Tom is happy in number 4? Look at number 4. Do you think Tom is happy?
He happy because his
Because he play baseball, right?
Yes.
Because he play baseball. That is why he is very happy. Okay? Okay? Right? Okay. Yes, now, okay. So, Kim, okay, we're going to continue this on when? On Tuesday. I will message your mom, right? I will message your mom about this because teacher cannot have class on Tuesday 2 p.m. If it's okay, we can have class on teacher will be on seminar next week. So I don't have time to study in the afternoon. So maybe we can have Saturday afternoon and Sunday afternoon. Okay, I will tell your mom.
On next week, Saturday,
Yeah,
uh,
no. Yeah,
this week or next week?
yeah. We can have this week, this coming Saturday or next Saturday. Okay, what do you want?
Uh, oh,
Okay. Oh, I will tell your mom about this. Okay? Please tell your mom. Teacher is having a seminar. It's teacher's seminar on Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday. That's
Uh, can you sing it on yellow?
yeah. Okay, yeah. I will tell in Zello. Okay? Bye bye, Kim Kim. Thank you, Kim.
Bye, teacher. Hope see you again.
Okay, thank you. God bless. Okay. You want to have the things to answer? I will give you homework. You want homework? I will give you. Okay?
Uh,
You want? Okay, bye-bye.